from your Weather Authority, Chief Meteorologist Wayne Hart.
Well, since the past couple of months, we've had a pretty active weather pattern. The summer kind of started off dry. We were getting into a drought, and then we finally got some rain, not so much in Evansville, but finally we're all getting some rain, and we're all in really good shape. And that's a good thing because the next 7 days at least look pretty dry at this point. But more importantly, it's going to be feeling a lot better. We'll get rid of all that high humidity. And 13 of the 14 days this month have been very humid. Highs today, though, weren't bad, low to mid 80s. Matter of fact, we've only had one day in the 90s this month, and that was yesterday. So it has not been so much the heat, but the humidity, and that will be changing here. It is changing right now as the dew points are falling behind that cold front. Just false returns around the radar site. The last of the showers are now east of I-65. We could see a spotty shower later tomorrow and then again later Thursday, but not expecting anything significant like we've seen over the past 2 to 3 days. These shades of green are estimated 1 inch plus amounts. The shades of yellow are 2 inches or more, and just about all of the Evansville metro picked up at least 2 inches of rain since the weekend started. That's why we're all in pretty good shape. The jackpot, once again, though, was in our eastern counties to the east-northeast of Owensboro, and once again in Hancock County, just north of Weberstown, our system estimating 5.7 inches of rain along Kentucky 69. There's the Ohio River with the clouds and the rain departing this morning. We got to see some sun for a while this afternoon. Then the cold front came in with that brief heavy shower, some rainbows behind it, and then we cleared off pretty quickly, though there are some scattered clouds moving back in right now. The temperature is down to 72. The dew point, which was in the low to mid 70s today, is now down to 67 on a west wind at 5, and that pressure rising rapidly. Upper 60s to lower 70s right now. Still a few mid 70s to the southeast. We should wind up in the low to mid 60s overnight, and there is the dropping humidity. Remember, the dew point's the better indicator of moisture in the air. The higher the number, the more the moisture. Dew point down to 67 now in Evansville. It's down to 62 in Mount Vernon. Our dew points will eventually get into the upper 50s to around 60 here over the next 1 to 2 days. Well, we will pick up a little more cloud cover. This is an unusually strong system for this time of the year, and it's spinning up in the western Great Lakes, sending some more clouds our way that will get a little thicker here during the day tomorrow. So not only will it feel a little bit more like September, it may look a little more like autumn. We dawn with sunshine early, and then those clouds come in from the north. They'll scatter out a little bit, maybe producing a spotty shower, but rain chances only at 10%. There could be a wide range in temperatures because of the thicker cloud cover to the northwest. Fairfield may only be mid to upper 70s to near 80 in the metro. Could be some low 80s, though, down to our southeast where you'll have more of that hot August sun rather than the clouds coming in from the north. They'll clear out tomorrow night. We'll drop into the upper 50s to around 60 by daybreak Wednesday, which will feature partly cloudy skies. Spotty showers try to come in from the northeast, but most of the area stays dry, lower 80s. And then on Thursday, mid 80s as another front approaches, but this will be mainly a dry front. We could see a spotty shower, so a brief warm up ahead of it. Humidity will still be tolerable, and then that kind of stops the warm up for 1 day before it begins to feel like summer again over the weekend. So partly cloudy overnight, low to mid 60s. Clouds increasing tomorrow, maybe a spotty shower. 75 to the northwest, maybe 86 all the way in the southeastern corner of the tri-state, but most of us upper 70s to around 80 degrees. And partly cloudy on Wednesday, 82. Partly cloudy, maybe a spotty afternoon thunder shower on Thursday, 86. Back to 85 on Friday. Saturday, 88 degrees. Back to normal, but the humidity is tolerable. But Sunday will be hot and humid, 93 degrees. And then Monday, very hot, very humid, 96 degrees, but no chances of significant rain or storminess for the next 7 days.
Okay, but back to summertime for sure. All right, thanks, Wayne.